welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna race the Thomas train.
Yeah, we're gonna race some Thomas friends. Can you name all the trains that we're gonna race today?
Thomas and Percy and Ashima and Yong Bao and Mia and Diesel.
That's right. Who do you think is gonna win?
Thomas.
You think Thomas is gonna win? I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so we have all the trains lined up and we're gonna have them race to this piece of wood over here, and whichever train reaches the wood first wins. So let's turn them all on. Okay, ready? Set.
Go!
Here they go. Who's gonna win? Oh, who won?
Thomas!
Tom, I don't know. It looks like Percy to me.
Now we're gonna race Thomas and Percy.
That's right. We're gonna race Thomas and Percy and see who wins. This time we have a different Thomas. We have Turbo Thomas and Turbo Percy. Okay, we have them turned on. Percy is fast. Look at them go.
Thomas is fast.
Thomas is really fast. That was close.
Now we're gonna race Mia and Ashima.
That's right, Mia and Ashima. Let's see, who do you think's gonna win?
I think Ashima.
You think Ashima's gonna win? Let's see. Okay, they're turned on. You ready? You wanna move the board? Go ahead. Here they go. It's gonna be close. Ashima won. You were right. Good guess.
Ashima won. Now we're gonna race Yong Bao and Diesel.
Young Bao and Diesel. Who do you think's gonna win this one?
I think Diesel.
You think Diesel's gonna win?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Let's turn them on. We have Diesel and Young Bao turned on. You ready?
Wednesday. Go.
See who's gonna win? Ow, no! Young Bao went the other way. Young Bao! Diesel's gonna win! Oh, he won!
He won.
Here comes Young Bao.
He wins.
He did!